Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we've got a regular Ipsy Glam Bag and some Ipsy changes, so let's get into it and check it out. Not a huge Ipsy change, it's simply a price increase. This is the $13 regular Ipsy Glam Bag. You get 5 products. Generally speaking, they say they will be deluxe sized samples, but sometimes we get full size products in them. But they have recently, we just got an email saying they are going to raise the prices, I think across the board on all of the Ipsy products, $1.99. I think they're calling it like a handling fee. I'm not sure what that means. I don't know why they wouldn't just raise the prices. So this bag is going to go from $13 to $15. So let me know how you feel about that, considering in theory it could just be 5 samples, which would be $3 a sample. I will tell you though, in my choice for my regular Ipsy Glam Bag this month, I'll skip ahead and spoil something, I had a palette choice. So this palette pretty much covers the cost of my bag, but you won't necessarily always have that. My bag, how cute is that? I got the purple one. They showed it in a lot of different colors. They had purple, pink, I think yellow maybe, and I have kind of a yellow greenish slice, probably a lemon or a lime. That is so cute. I like this bag. So the holes are definitely for real. I can still see you guys. I would love it if I would take the time every month to switch out my bags and my purse. I don't. I have tons of these over there. I haven't even touched, but I love it when we get them and they're so darn cute. Okay, let's get into the products. Oh, you guys know where I'm going with this, right? Oh my goodness. I have my products on the inside. I have information, guys. I have information. This is probably, I can't even tell you. I cannot even tell you the last time that I got the information on my products in this little piece of paperwork. So June is show your colors. That is what the front looks like. And like I said, the inside tells me a little bit about the products. I picked for myself the eyeshadow palette, and I really have to tell you, I assumed when I did that meant my other products would be like, wah, wah. And I was super impressed when I got online and could see this. So it spoiled a couple of the other things that I got. I was really impressed with what else I got. This is the Brittany palette by Beauty Creations, and it says Murillo on it. So I'm not sure if it's Murillo or if she's Spanish and it's Murillo, but that is the palette. I'm sure it's going to make me look exactly like this, and I cannot wait. Ooh, it's very, is that metallic? It feels metal. That is the front of it, and it's probably not, but this feels like it's really metal. All right, we're gonna read about this and then we'll swatch it, because I really have to tell you, I thought for being in a little Ipsy bag, it might be kind of cheap. This says Beauty Creations Cosmetics, Brittany's eyeshadow palette, curated by creator Brittany Murillo. This 12 shade eyeshadow palette has the perfect mix of blues, purples, and neutral mattes and shimmers to create the ultimate colorful look, a Brittany go-to. And it has an MSRP of $17. So even with the additional $2, this was still a box. Oh, so pretty. This covered my box. That is what that looks like. Look at this one. That is so interesting, guys. Okay, let's swatch a couple of these. It has the all over, oh, very nice, kind of creamy, very silky. It has an all over color that I love. This is what I love to do over all of my eyes before I start building. This was, oh my goodness. I suspect from the feel of it, you're gonna need a glitter base, but wow, that is something. That's, oh my gosh. Oh wow, they feel so creamy and nice. Look at that pink. Oh my gosh. Let's try this. What is this? Let's feel this. Oh. Oh my gosh. So this ends up feeling kind of like a duochrome. See how it's just, that's this one. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. That pink is pink. I am impressed. I was afraid it wouldn't have that much pop to it. Those are pretty. I cannot wait to play with this palette. So $17, and it was in my choices. This has got I'm gonna have fun in a Barbie look written all over it. Next out, I have a Lovecraft Beauty Gel Line Eye Pencil, and it's in Piercer, and it's silver. That is fun. That is so much fun. Okay, I have to tell you, my little Ipsy bag, it's the bag that can. This bag is almost never a disappointment. It says no smears or smudges here. This metallic silver gel pencil sets to a waterproof finish, so whatever eye look you create will be fresh for hours and hours through sweat, tears, rain, you name it. And it has a $13 value. So this also pays for the cost of your bag. Oh, it's very smooth. I'm just squiggling it all over my hands so you guys can see. There we go. What it looks like. It went on so smooth and creamy so easily. That, I like that. That's going to be so much fun. You guys are going to be seeing this in a video. This with that pink eyeshadow would be super cute, especially for summer when we're doing more pops of color and having fun, said the girl in complete neutrals. Next out, I have a full-sized nail polish. It's a nice dark color, which, you know, you don't think in the summer, you think nice light brights, but as you can tell, I like the darker colors year round. I forget whose this was, but I like it a lot. It's a red, but it kind of has a coral tone to it. I thought that was perfect for summer. This is We Are Fluide 7 Free Polish in Starquake. Say hello to your new fall mani to go to. This shimmery dark purple shade feels edgy, glam, and totally on trend for cooler months. The best part, it's a 7 free formula, which means it doesn't have some potentially harmful ingredients found in many nail polishes. And it says it is a $15 value. So I have had 3 products so far, and all 3 cover the cost of my bag. That's interesting, and they have no idea who I am. I am in no way affiliated with them. They don't know me from every other single subscriber, so it's not like I was getting any favors. Ooh, this is dark. I can see the purple in it though when I lift it up out through the top of the bottle. The purple of that comes across. This is what it looks like, this one up here. That is super pretty. That has real Linkin Park After Dark vibes. It's a little more purple than that though. I like that. Yeah, I will be trying that. I love purples because it's real tough to get a purple that's not a cool tone, and despite the fact that I'm wearing a coral red, cool tones really are what's best with my skin. Okay, next out I have a Pop Permanent Pout. Is it just me, or does the word permanent make everybody a little nervous? Looks like this might be a deluxe sample. The color looks perfect for me. If you are new to Ipsy, when you join Ipsy, you go in and you do a profile, and you tell them whether you're cool, what color your hair is, what colors you like. And it's been so long since I did it, I barely remember the kind of things they ask you, but it's to hone in on whether you're light, dark, cool, warm tones, what color are your eyes, what color are your hair, those kinds of things. So they try and get close on colors that will work for you. That is the color, and that will absolutely work for me. I like that a lot. That is so pretty. I need to get it off quickly. Looks like it's drying down to a nice matte quickly. Okay, I got it. Ooh, that was close. Yeah, that is a really pretty color. The paperwork says they call this permanent pout for a reason. The dark rosy liquid lipstick goes on velvety, leaves behind a matte finish, and won't feather or budge until you go in with some waterproof makeup remover. So the MSRP of the full-size version of this product is 4.2 grams and only $8, so it's very reasonable. This is, no, this doesn't give me grams. Oh yeah, 1.6 grams. It's a little less than half, so we call this probably about $3.50. And my last product is a dropper bottle. It is AmNH 24 karat gold glow. We have been seeing AmNH in more boxes, and I have to tell you, most of the lotions and things like that that I have tried from them, I have really liked. Look at that. That is the label, but look at this. Can you guys see the shimmery, oh my gosh. Let's see what we're supposed to do with this. It's gotta be a body. That cannot be going on your face. Deeply hydrated skin with a glowing finish? Sign us up. The blend of coconut, jojoba, rosehip, hazelnut, and vitamin E oils nourish your skin, while the 24 karat shimmer leaves behind a touch of sheen that's perfect for summer nights. This is it's a deluxe sample, and that the full-size version is 118 mLs and has a $48 value. This is a deluxe sample. This is a just, I don't know if you can tell, but this is a probably 1 ounce full-size dropper bottle that we normally see face stuff in. Yes, this is very small, but I think that it says 1 fluid ounce, 30 mLs. So what was the full size? 118. Well, 30 times 4 would be 120. So it's about a fourth. So this is about $12 worth. So this also almost covers your bag. Let's just put a little bit on my hand and see what happens. So it's just, can you guys tell? It's a nice gold. I just want to keep doing it. I feel like I'm gonna look like the Tin Man, but gold. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. On the front of your legs, or if you're wearing a dress or shirt, but it's off the shoulder, across your shoulders. It smells lovely. Kind of coconutty. Definitely think summer night, maybe at the beach. And it didn't leave me, I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm shiny, but it didn't leave me crazy shiny. It's just, it looks like well-treated skin. I'll be using this. Okay, I have to tell you, that was one crazy good Ipsy Glam Bag. This was just my regular $13, gonna be $15 as of next month, $14.99. Don't be dramatic, Kathrin. My regular $13 glam bag. We got the cute little bag, this AmNH body oil, which I am shiny and lovely and would absolutely use it. Purple Fluid full-size nail polish, that cute pop lippy, which is a color I will absolutely use. The nice silver waterproof eyeliner, and the Beauty Creations eyeshadow palette. This was my regular Ipsy, guys. Was yours this good this month? Let me know below. I chose this. It was in the things for me to choose, and it's gorgeous. And this is what they chose for me. Let me know below how yours went. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and go out and have some summer fun. Maybe put on some gold stuff. It smells so good. Bye, guys.